Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to get a ChatGPT free account. Yes, at the time of creating this video, ChatGPT is free to use. I don't know what their plans are going to be for the future, but at the time you should be good to go. So this is the sign up process. First things first, I will put a link down below, and if you click that, you'll get taken to a page that looks very similar to this. At the top, you can see the URL there. And normally, if you want to log in, this is how you do it. And also, if you want to sign up, you're going to want to click on the sign up button. Here, what you're going to want to do is enter in your email address, or you can do what I already did, is just continue with Google. So let's put your email address goes here at gmail.com. I am not a robot. And of course, this may or may not happen. These are always fun, but let's verify and click on continue. And give it a password and continue. Okay, and it says we've sent an email to wherever your email address is. Make sure you go there, click on the link to get started, and pretty much that's what you can do. I sent it to an email that I don't have, but overall, they may or may not ask you if you need your phone number to also confirm, but once you are finally in, it will look like this that I showed you right here, where you can get started, start putting in some examples, ask some questions, and see what ChatGPT has to send in terms of results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that helps you get started. I will have plenty more demo videos when it comes to what you can use this, how you can use this, some of the use cases, and plenty other helpful videos for using ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching. My name is James, and I'll see you in my next video.